we can use the tuple function to create a range of values, for example, integers from 1 to 10. We combine that function, the tuple function, with the range function. Okay, first we define a variable called numbers and assign the value of this expression. First, we call the tuple function and pass as argument the return of range, the range function. It is a built-in function that is incorporated by default in the Python programming language. We need the values from 1 to 10. We need to remember that the range function doesn't include the upper limit, 11 in this case. It starts from 1 and ends in 10, the 10 number. We can show the content of the numbered variable. We called the print function, and now we pass as argument numbers and execute this code. Okay. Press the play button, and here we get a tuple with values from 1 to 10. Very easy.